Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets Huruful Arabiya. Today is lesson number 6 in which we will discuss group number 6. We are learning Arabic alphabets in groups because learning in groups is quite easy. So far we have done 5 lessons. In lesson number 1 we learned 2 letters Alif and Hamza. In lesson number 2, the group number 2 will learn the next 3 letters Ba, Ta and Sa. In group number 3, we learn the next 3 letters Jim, Ha and Ho. In group number 4, we learn 2 letters Dal and Zal. And group number 5 will learn the next 2 letters Ra and Za. Today we are learning group number 6. In group number 6 there are 2 letters. Letters Shin and Shin. Shin and Shin. Let's learn how to write. Half circles, 2 small half circle and big 1. Let's try again. 2 small half circle and 1 big half circle. Like this. The basic shape is same, but the presence of 3 dots over the Shin make it different from Shin. The equivalent of Shin in English is letter S, and the equivalent of Shin in English is combination of 2 letters S and H. The phonics of Shin is just like a S sound, S, just like I can say S in sweep, and the phonics of Shin is a combination of 2 letters SH which give a sh sound, just like sh in shower, SH sound in shower, and show. Shin letter make a loud and a spreading sound, sh, sh, just like a noisy sound, sh, sh. And Shin make a whistle sound, s, 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 s. Previously in group number 2 we learned 3 letters Ba, Ta and Sa. Sa is similar to letter Shin. The beginners may confuse the phonics of Shin and Sa, but there's difference. Shin make a whistle sound and Sa does not make a whistle sound. Shin make a sharp sound, but Sa make a soft sound because Sa is one of the soft letters of Arabic alphabets and Shin is one of the whistle sound and the sharp sound letter. This is the difference between them, but if we confuse the 2 letters and we do not pronounce correctly, we may create new letters. You can learn this difference in my another video in the lessons in which I explain about the similar sounds of Arabic alphabets. You can find that video in the I button. Right now, let's learn about the articulation point. The articulation point of Shin is the tip of the tongue, but the tip of the tongue touch the lower 2 incisor. Lower 2 incisor. When the tip of the tongue placed at the inner plates of lower 2 incisor, leaving a small space between the scissors and the tongue just to make a whistle. Yes, Shin. This is the articulation point of Shin. And for Shin is pronounced from the middle of the tongue. This is the sh, sh. The middle of the tongue is the articulation point of Shin. That is enough for today. If you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lessons so you learn it thoroughly, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you may know every new video. And also visit my site where you can find much knowledge. Assalamu alaikum.